Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 6 divided by 12, then 6 multiply 12, okay, is equal to. So now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So 6 divided by 12 can be written as 6 by 12 in the parenthesis, then divide 6 multiply 12, okay? Now 6, now cancel this 12, divide this 6 by using 6, so here is 1, and divide 12 by using 6, so here is 2. So 1 by 2 divide 6 multiply 12, okay? Now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, okay? So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Here we have to solve this parenthesis, here we solve this parenthesis because here is two parentheses and both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right, okay? So first we solve this parenthesis, now we have to solve this parenthesis, okay? So is equal to 1 by 2, then 6 multiply 12, divide 72. Now according to KCF rule, K means skip this 1 by 2, means first fraction as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 1 by 72. Okay. So now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. And 72 multiply 2 is equal to 144. So 1 divided by 144 is the correct answer. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.